Hey everybody, it's Theta here with George's Mixes. I am here with Alex.
Hello.
Hello, Alex.
Hello.
We are here to show you something a little bit different. Yesterday we were here, we talked about, we were thinking outside the margarita box. Now we're gonna think outside of the Bloody Mary box. We are actually cooking with George today, everybody. So this is what we are using today. Of course, you all know we have a lot of different flavors. We are using our spicy guy today. Love this, the fresh horseradish, the lemon juice, the Worcestershire. It's just perfect for your Bloody Marys and also for your food. Give a layer of depth, pop of flavor. It's just awesome. Really, you could choose any flavor that you want. We decided to go with this because, as you can see, it was opened already. We've got our other guys back here. We've got this guy right here that I can't show you yet. So you're all gonna have to wait for that. Stay tuned, be paying close attention. In the next few weeks, we will be releasing the name and you will see what it is, and you're gonna be so excited, it's not even gonna be funny. We're very excited about this. This is gonna be just awesome. So today, we are making our baked cheese dip. Very simple, very easy, very fun. We've got football on our mind, we've got the weekend, we've got, you know, that kind of
Vibe.
yeah, exactly, that vibe. So going with that vibe, let's throw this guy together, okay? We, very easy. Actually, a lot of the recipes that we feature, we really try to make it all easy on you. I mean, this is what it's all about. It's the ease of use in your Bloody Marys. It's the ease of use in your recipes, okay? So we have got a half a cup of our goat cheese. We have got a half a cup of our cream cheese, whatever y'all like. Actually, let's put it in here. That was pretty stupid. And then we have our half a cup of our mayo.
It just would have been messy.
It would have been very messy because I am a sloppy stirrer, so let's not go with that. All right, let's put this back here in the effort of trying to be semi-organized. All right, we got everything in a bowl, right?
Right.
Now we're gonna put our secret ingredient, you know, this right here. We're gonna do our Bloody Mary. We got about a quarter cup right here, guys. We are gonna stir this up. You'll see me probably make a mess even in this larger bowl because that's what I do, make messes. So, you know, here today we are featuring our baked cheese dip. But if any of you guys have been following us over the years, you know that we actually have quite a few recipes. Sorry, Alex, I'll clean it up when I'm done. We have quite a few recipes that we are featuring.
It's one of many dips that we have.
Sure is. We've got our George's Ranch dip. We got our,
We've got the Bloody Mary dip.
which is awesome, you guys. It sounds kind of generic, but
And our queso. That's really good.
George's queso dip. All these recipes, you know, you could find on our website at georgesmixes.com. All right.
Workout.
Totally.
Workout.
Yeah, I am getting a workout. This is like not as stirring as easy as I wanted it to.
It's all gonna melt.
Just kidding. Yeah, guys, we're throwing this into an oven. So you're preheating an oven at 425, right? So you're preheating it, getting it all nice and warm. We are going to, actually, let's add a little pinch of salt. Pinch of salt, a little bit of pepper, right? Stir that in, give it a quick stir. It already smells good. I know it's simple, but gee whiz, I can smell that Bloody Mary mix, which is what really makes this. All right, so we're stirring it in our little thing here, our little baking dish, right? Spread it all out. All right, guys, so we are going to put this with my messy hands into the oven. All right, let's put this in the oven. How long do we leave it in for?
It's only 15 minutes.
All right, so 15 minutes.
Or until it's bubbling.
Till it's bubbly.
Everybody's oven is different.
We all know that everyone's oven is different.
Yep.
So we're gonna hang out, we're gonna wait, we're gonna bake this, we're gonna show you what it looks like at the end. So hang in there with me a minute. We will be right back. Hey guys, we're back. And guess who's here with us?
Hey, Clyde.
Say hi, Clyde.
Hi, buddy. smells so good. He got up and came
He got
in
up to
here.
come here. As you can see, he's had a little surgery. He doesn't normally walk around with this cone on him. But he smelled the food, he smelled all the goodness going on, and so he came in and joined us.
Take a look at that.
But take a look at this, guys.
Yum, it's still bubbling.
Delicious, right? So we're just gonna finish this off. We're gonna do a little bit of green onion, and we're gonna do a little bit of crumbled bacon that we crumbled up earlier. Yum, everything is better with bacon. And there you have it. I'm not gonna touch it because as you can see, it's hot. Clyde, come here. So, come here. How about a carrot?
He likes his
Good boy.
veggies.
So anyway, just to show you guys the versatility of this mix, there's just so many fun things you can do. Just like we said earlier, just a little earlier, you know, in our video, you know, just some fun things you can do. We have dips. I mean, we talked about that. We've got chilies, we've got soups, we've got deviled eggs even, crab salads, you name it. Anything that you think would go good with a bloody or anything maybe surprisingly that wouldn't, I mean, really, it'll make it better. It's just that good. It adds, just like I said, a nice depth, a nice pop of flavor. Can't go wrong. Head to our website at www.georgesmixes.com. We're seeing you here on our YouTube channel, and we're so happy that you're here, that you've, you know, walked through this experience with us. Like, subscribe. Please feel free to leave comments. We're so more than happy to hear what you guys, what's on your mind, and what you'd like to see us do, or better yet, share your masterpiece with us. If you have an idea or something different to do with it, please feel free to share with us. We love seeing that stuff. We'll feature it on our website. We'll feature it on our social media. We love it. So keep it coming, guys. Anyway, so until we see you next time, cheers, enjoy the weekend, and we will see you soon.